Alright guys, so I was not able to get Windows 98 to install on here, I think due to the SATAs and all the other crap. We were trying to just get this game to play, and this is on Windows 95. I think it came out like in 97 or something, I don't know why. It's just stupid. But anyway, so I'm downloading Windows 95 on my other machine. This is a $10 machine that I bought. I don't really know what it actually has in it, to be honest. It had 4 gigabytes of RAM, DDR2, but it was too much or something. I had to pull one out; it wouldn't boot. Anyway, so we're doing XP. So I went to the Internet Archive, downloaded an XP ISO. I don't have a product key or anything like that, but there's a legit product key on here. So we should be able to use the Dell OEM. And we'll try that. Hopefully it'll work. So it's starting right now. I'm going to go ahead and enter. I don't know how long this will take. F8 equals I agree. Microsoft is a douche-waffle. We have 152 gigabytes. D. Yes. L. D. All right. Dude, I remember doing this. Holy hell, man. Oh, man. I did this over and over and over. I had this IBM ThinkPad. I don't remember what the reason was. I was always having problems with it. I've had a lot of junk computers, too, that I've always put XP on. Somewhere I have a USB stick for XP. I don't know if it will work on this thing or not, but anyway. So, one of the reasons I want one of these computers to be older like this is that for programming old Motorola radios and stuff like that, instead of DB9 port, it's got a floppy. So if you had like some software that was only available on a floppy, you might be able to run it on this. But it just depends on what it is. So a lot of this stuff is just too new for some of the legacy stuff that we might need to run. It doesn't always work in VirtualBox or DOSBox or whatever, so that's why I'm doing this. So it just rebooted. Typical thing. Kernel debugger. I'm not really sure what this computer has. It says it's a dual core inside. It's probably a Core 2 Duo. But the other computer was a Pentium 4. Woo-hoo-hoo. Look at that.
Whatever I'm going to so you can hear.
Yeah, it does need that.
This thing does amaze me how I can perform on this static with a little, the noise with a little bit of adjusting on this stuff.
It does have some good receive filters, no doubt about that.
Oh, yes sir, buddy.
Where do you
DX10.
That's your picture of the seat. Yeah, I like it.
makes you want to learn it, don't it?
Yeah.
I got so tired of trying to get the EQs right, I shut them all off. You know the menu where you got force selectable, not adjustable?
Alright, we had to enter a product key, and the one on here didn't work, but the one where I downloaded it did, which is off of the like Wayback Machine type of thing.
And the prosecutor and the magistrate.
Internet Archive.
Case where we sit in there posted it somehow.
So anyway, that worked. And I forgot how long this crap takes. Alright, I think we're booting. I think we're booting up. Okay. Alright. Boy, I haven't seen this screen in so long. Oh, man. Oh, yeah. You know, the Windows used to be really good. But I just keep... Well, and that's not true. Windows... not now. All right. Okay. You don't like my name? Name must not be more than 20 characters, must not contain name, cannot be just all spaces, period. Names must not be equal to that or administrator or guest. Wow. Okay. I'm gonna do that. Oh, because I named the damn computer. That's stupid. They have a computer name. Yeah, I forgot how they did this. Yeah. This is the worst welcome screen. Everything else about XP was pretty good, but this welcome screen just way too much blue crap. It's just terrible. They could have did something better. Anyway. Oh, man. Remember this stuff. Okay. Let's try our game. Let's see if the Riven game will play. Okay. So, we use the Internet Archive to get our copy going. And you can do the same thing too if you're trying to do this. So I got the Riven game. I don't even know what this is. Like, it's just something that the old lady had found that she played a long time ago. I don't know if it'll read it. It didn't want to read it on the other one. I've not been able to get it to work on anything else. I'll be damned. She's going to be so happy. Well, look at that. Okay. Okay. What does it say? Oh, I thought it was like a printer ink cartridge thing. Like, what the hell is this? So, this game came out in 95 or 97, yeah. But I couldn't get it to run on the Windows 98 machine. I don't know why. It just, there could be some other issues, but it'll play better on this computer anyways in the first place. And now that I know that this works, I've got a slightly even newer computer that might be better to use than this one. So, these are not going to go online. They're not going to go on the internet. They're just going to be to do XP programs. No. Okay. Let's run it and see what it does. Now, I do have a controller, but I don't know how I will get the drivers for it. I don't know if this game is going to start or what is. It might not run. I didn't even think about that. I told it to run, but I don't see it doing anything. Okay, new program installed. Alright. I really hope it works. There's a possibility it just isn't going to work. Or I might have to do compatibility mode, or I don't know. You know, I might have to reinstall it. It doesn't look like it works, so. Let me try this again. Right click on it. Run. Compatibility. Yep. And then we do this. Apply. Click OK. What does that got to do with anything? Just run the damn game. Frickin' hell. Okay, let's try. Well, maybe it installed pretty quick. Let's go here. Your machine does not have an audio device. I don't care. I don't know how to get the XP audio drivers. Get the floppy drive, man. Let me see if I can find out, view something about this. Okay. So how do they think that this is a better computer than the old one? This is a dual core, 1.6 gigahertz, E2140, and the Pentium 4 computer was like 2.6 or something. It was way higher than this. Anyway, let's see hardware. Okay, so I could try and connect this to the internet and see if I could possibly do anything, but I don't think it's going to work. Let's see. In fact, I don't even know if I can get the internet to work, because that's the problem I had with the other one too. Alright, so I'm going to have to call it a night on this one. I'm going to figure out how to get the audio drivers on this thing. I downloaded some off of Dell's website, but it didn't work. I don't know if this is 64-bit or 32-bit XP. So maybe that's the problem. I'm going to try it a couple different times. But anyway, thanks for watching.